Welcome to the MonQcle Introductory User Guide video series. This video is the fourth in a series intended to cover the basics to help you get started in MonQcle. In the previous videos of this series, we covered how to create an account, the various account options, the main features of the profile page, creating a dataset, how to add questions, and how to add and code records for a standard cross-sectional dataset. In this video, we will review how to add citations and finish coding. At this point, you should already have created questions and coded records for your standard cross-sectional dataset. If you need a refresher on how to do this, please see our previous videos in this series titled Using MonQcle Adding Questions and Using MonQcle Adding and Coding Records. A link to these instructional videos can be found in the description below this video. MonQcle allows users to specifically link sections of text to coding answers by highlighting or marking up the legal text and then dragging and dropping the selection to pin the citation to the desired coding answer. You can either add a citation by citing to an entire law or by adding a citation to a specific subsection of legal text. You can also add multiple citations to each coding answer. You may have noticed the gray citation boxes below the individual coding answers inside your record. These boxes were used for older datasets and have since been deactivated. Please ignore these boxes and use the new MonQcle citation process. To get started citing to an entire law, click on the pushpin button at the top left of the individual law that answers your coding question, also known as the Cite Entire Law button. The Add Markup box will appear. The top field, Tags, allows you to label the particular citation. This step not only helps you keep track of multiple citations, it also helps MonQcle's machine learning processes associate legal principles with user input identifiers. If you are unsure of what to use as a tag, you can select one of the suggested choices below the field. Both the Pin Cite field and Document Title field will automatically populate with your citation and full citation title respectively. However, longer document titles may be truncated, and it may be necessary to fill in the full title manually. When citing to an entire law, you do not need to specify a pin cite. Once you click OK, a green button with your username and a pencil icon, also known as the tagged citation icon, will appear at the top of that law. Complete the citation by clicking on the tagged citation icon and dragging it over to the coding question you wish to cite and dropping it on the question. The citation is complete when that green icon appears with your coding question and changes to a linked citation icon displaying your tag. To cite to a specific subsection of text, start by highlighting the specific section of the source you feel answers the coding question. This process is called creating a markup. Right-click that selection and choose Add Markup. Similar to the steps we just reviewed for citing to an entire law, you can tag your citation with a keyword to label with your text markup or choose one of the suggested tags. Again, the Pin Cite and Document Title fields will automatically populate with your citation and citation title respectively. You can then add the specific subsection for the Pin Cite of the text markup. Once you click OK, your selected citation area will remain highlighted and the tagged citation icon with your username will appear to the left of your selected text. Simply click to drag the tagged citation icon to the question you wish to cite. Once you drop that icon on the question, a linked citation icon will appear next to the question in green, signifying a successful and complete citation. To edit a completed citation, go to your highlighted marked up text and right-click. Select Modify/Remove Markup. Then make any changes in the pop-up box and click OK to save the changes. To remove a citation from a coded question, click the X in the green citation button next to the coding question. To remove a citation from the text of the law, click on the X next to the green citation button in your highlighted text. Once you have finished answering and citing all of the necessary coding questions, click the Mark Finished button above the questions to indicate that your coding record is complete. All your coding and citing saves automatically, but you can also push the green Save Record button above the coding questions throughout. Thank you for watching. This is the final video in our Using MonQcle 4-part introductory user video series. You now know all you need to get started creating datasets in MonQcle.